Guys, look at this.
Wow.
It is done and ready to be munched.
It's gonna be yummy.
Hi guys, good morning. I just want to share this recipe with you guys. It's a very quick and nutritious breakfast for the kids, full of protein and very yummy. I can assure you that.
What? No.
Drizzle some. So guys, as you can see, I used half of the whole pepperoni. You know, it comes in 2 links, but I used 1 full one. And now we can add the pepperoni. And this is half a cup of mozzarella cheese. And this is half a cup of cheddar cheese. And this is some finely chopped spinach right here. Doesn't it look good? It looks yummy if you ask me. Now you get to mix everything together and throw it in a muffin pan. See.
Wow. Cool, Mama. Now how can you do that? Easy, huh? I didn't fit.
That means it's easy.
Mom, look at this. And I'm not moving anymore. Cool. This is the best. Cool. Tingnan na loa ka, Mommy.
And your mommy kaka. Dalo. Guys, this looks so good and they look delicious. I already preheated my oven to 350 degrees and I'm just gonna pop this in the oven and I'll show you how it looks when it comes out. Guys, look at this.
Wow.
It is done and ready to be munched.
It's gonna be yummy.